parts, and then next, and then pick two positions. So one, two, and then finish. So that one, I don't know why. Yeah. Okay. So here, it's just, it's same thing, but it's addition. But the thing is, this one you can select two or more elements, one, two, three, and then click the position. So here, if I say here sim, let's say here SPC sim. So here, one, two, and then one, two, something like that.
And
Or
one, two, and two, and then second.
let's see this one, one, two, and then one, two. See
The movement,
the positioning.
the positioning.
So here, let's say for example, in this panel, one, two, and then one, two.
So the direction of
The,
the
the,
item.
that's why I told you it's a combination. So here I can just simply say why.
Maybe this one when you use
Yeah, see,
more
see
about
the,
steel.
but basically,
By
yeah,
direction.
could be.
Direction of the frame.
But that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Also for the slab, I think this one is useful. So if your slab connection and wall connection are same, then you can use it, right? So you don't need to create another because basically if you the direction it will lead you to the correct positioning of your connection. But as to tell you frankly, I don't much use this sim, but maybe in some other case you can just try it.
Detail plus some right this one.
Slab.
Yeah.
No. Combination of detail and connection.
Consist
Direction.
direction. This one lah.
Yeah. This one you got what I mean here. That
Yeah.
the reason why this one coming because of the template is not available here.
So the correctness for to copy this template from your setting and then for another setting.
No, because okay, you don't need
When
to,
when I copy the setting,
okay, look, your setting could be in the network.
okay,
Network. But if your setting is in this computer only, of course the other computer will not able to see your setting.
but some of the computer can read. I don't know how
No,
they're
no,
reading
the setting must be the film folder must be in the network.
so how to identify the
Yeah,
when
you need to map.
can you show me how to identify every
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
this
So
few.
let's say for example, this is the network. Okay, this is the network.
So this one the setting this one.
Yeah, this one is the
Right,
network. So
double click. And we have this one. This is the setting. They
this is
have
this is
template
the
for the
setting. All
shop
the
drawing.
templates must be here, right?
Okay.
But this
How do I manage to copy?
no, you need to go to this what was that map network drive. Okay, again, I think you missed the point. Remember, we created the film folder, right? The film folder must be located where? In the network, in your company, so that everybody link to that film.
Yeah,
Did you do that one? No.
because I copy from you.
Yeah, you copy from me, and then
And
you
then
copy.
I paste it, and then you can read.
Where did you paste it?
I'm not sure, but maybe just copy from the setting.
Okay, so it means
Maybe I'm saying
maybe so it means it's not copied in the network. So it means the computer doesn't the other computer doesn't really connect to the film folder
because of
because the film folder must okay. Can you give me the ball pen and pen and then and paper? Okay. First of all, first of all, this is the film folder.
Hmm.
Film folder. During the training, our film folder is under the C and then let's say SPC under setting, right? C, correct? But this one is your computer, personal computer. Okay, now this film folder must be connected. Let's say this one is your server. So this one, this setting must be this folder must be put in the server folder.
Okay, my question is, where can I find the server?
I don't know. This one is your company server. You need to provide this one, or you need to ask your IT where is the
Oh,
server.
server the maybe the some of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
cloud.
the cloud or something like that. This one must be shared.
So how
You
come?
or network. This one is a network, right? Network.
Okay, for example, we have second.
Okay. When you go to your company, when you plug this one in the network, do you get some other drive here? Did you get any some other drive? I mean, network drive. Say drive Z, drive T, drive Z, S. No. Okay, so you need to set this one up because this film folder, the idea of this film folder to set this one in the server so that let's say for example this is your computer, computer one, computer two, or user computer three, computer four. Okay, so this will all connect to this. So whatever setting in the film folder will be can be seen here. So your template, all the template and all the reports will be seen here. That's the reason why there is a warning because it cannot find the film
So
folder.
you cannot identify.
No, but you need to set this one first.
But I'm okay. When I copy from your maybe your from your file,
Mm.
maybe some of the template construct drawings you can read in my PC.
In your PC, yes, but in the other PC, it may not because they did not copy my setting.
Maybe from my setting I just give them,
Could be, could be,
but cannot.
but maybe because of the because this one, the C drive, huh?
Mhm.
C drive, that's very important. You need to check if they're really connected to the particular file. In other words, the reason why the reason why that template is not shown because it's not available in the model folder. So make it sure that that one is linked properly. Okay, and you need to set up your network.
Maybe I think my conclusion is maybe the same thing is the same one, but the project works on
Could be.
need to be the same
Yes.
flow.
Yeah.
So when
But to make it
to be the same, copy this one and then transfer.
yes, better make it in the
Is it
same
is it possible?
link.
Is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, make it same link.
Maybe
Make it sure that all the computer has the same information.
so I just copy this one.
Yeah.
Copy all one. Copy this.
Yes.
Because the setting
But
one.
again, hearing from you that you don't have
But
you don't have the proper network, then it's quite difficult.
okay,
You need
talking
to
about
you need
network, I
yeah.
really understand about the network. Maybe because they have a sharing network, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but
You must have a sharing network.
what I just copy from you and can read in my PC, maybe it can possible the way of this one. Maybe I'll try later. Yeah. If possible, I'll let you know.
Yeah.
I thought service spec
No.
consists of the template coding.
No.
No, were you pretty sure about
Yeah.
that?
Unless you copy the template to your system setting.
Oh, the original one.
Yeah. Unless you copy that one.
No.
So if that one no.
I just copy the setting and
Yeah.
then I just move.
If it is the film folder, I'm suspecting that that one is because you have
Is it possible I can copy maybe I copy from the original one and then transfer to
yes, that one is possible. Copy to call the system?
Just
The
copy and
computer,
transfer.
yeah. That's right.
Because the setting
But
can read.
but the problem is in that case you have to copy each and every computer.
No, no, I need to make sure they all have the template, but without the server connection of service cloud
The idea of peer folder is
to work on the
to work on one folder only, not to because what happened? Okay, if you copy this one to each and every computer, what happened if you modify one of the templates? So the other computer you need to copy again. Uh, so that's the reason why we need to have a firm folder that everybody link. If you want, if you don't have a proper server, then share your firm folder to other computers. Yeah. And then they need to map it. But
so
anyway, we can set that one later once you already confirmed with the license and
using using the what you call it,
then, then
the viewer.
not the viewer but by sharing
Like we'll explain later.
by sharing. But again, as I've told you, I can set it up in your company later once everything's settled.
Okay.
Okay, I think the last question is about the stair. Yeah.